Welcome again to another learning episode of Probability and Statistics. And for today's lesson, we will discuss finding the z-score associated with percentile. Of course, our lesson objective for today is find the percentiles using the standard normal distribution or vice versa. So we have here, which of the following expressions are familiar to you? So first, honor, top 5, a score of 98%. So actually, all of this has an order or uses order or arrangement. Order is actually a relative standing. The concept of relative standing is actually the concept of percentiles. Alright, so what is percentile anyway? So percentile is for any set of measurements arranged in ascending or descending order. A percentile or centile is a point in the distribution such that a given number of cases is below it. A percentile is a measure of relative standing. It is a descriptive measure. Of the relationship of the measurement of the rest of the data. So for example, let us have this one. Find the 95th percentile of the normal curve. So what's this? What's the meaning of the 95th percentile or P95 in symbol? It means that locating an area before or below the point. We want to know what the z-value is at this point. Okay, so for example, your grade. You scored a total of let's say 90 in your probability exam, and sabi ng teacher mo, okay, yung score mo na 90 is nasa 95th percentile. So anong ibig sabihin nun? Ang ibig sabihin nun, class, is 95% of your classmates ay mas mababa sa score mo, and the 5% is mas mataas dun sa na-score mo na 90 doon sa exam ninyo. So that's the concept of percentile. Now, let's solve this one. Find the 95th percentile of the normal curve. So para gawin yan, here is our solutions. So first step, draw the appropriate normal curve. So of course, our normal curve looks like this. The center of the normal distribution is the mean. And then, sabi dito is, we get the 95th percentile. 95th percentile is actually 95%. So 95%, ang gagawin natin, i-convert natin to into decimal. So, ang decimal value ng 95% is 0.9500. That will be our step 2. Express the given percentage as probability. The next step is split 0.95 into 0.5 or 0.5,000 and 0.4500. Bakit natin i-split? Kasi alam natin na yung 0.5 is the half of the distribution. Okay? And para makompleto, para maging 0.95, we will add 0.4500, or that is 50% and 45%. That is still equivalent to 95%. Alright? So, 0.5 yung pinili natin as the base ng paghati kasi alam natin that the half of the distribution is 0.5. The area, if you add 0.45, that is equivalent to 0.9500. So, pag in-add natin itong buong area nito, is still 95% or 0.9500. Take note, bakit to the left yung ating shaded portion? To the left yung shaded portion natin kasi ang concept ng percentile is the point below it. So, papunta sa left side. Not unless sinabi na upper percentile. Of course, pag sinabing upper percentile, to its right na yon. Okay? So, kapag walang sinabi, automatic na below it or to the left. After mo ma-split at ma-figure out na ganito yung illustration niya, you go for step 6. Ayan. So, for step 6, we have refer to the table of areas under the normal curve. Locate the area 0.45 in the body of the table. So, check natin yung normal area ng normal curve. Kung mapapansin ninyo, doon sa area ng normal curve, wala kang makikita na exact na 0.4500. ang makikita mo lang doon is 0.4495 and 0.4505, which is same sila actually na ng distance sa kinukuha natin na 0.4500. Okay? So, kapag ganito na meron kang nakita na dalawang areas na same ng distance na malapit doon sa hinahanap mo, kunin mo silang dalawa. Pag nakuha mo silang dalawa, get also their z-value. So, makikita mo doon sa z-table, anong z-value ng 0.4495. At ano naman ang z-value ng 0.4505 na area. And then, we get the average. Paano mangyayari yon? So, we have yung 0.4505. Ang average, ang z-score niyan is 1.65. And yung 0.4495 naman na area, ang z-score niyan is 1.64. Alright? So, kinuha natin yung dalawang z-values na yan, and then we get the average. Paano magkuha ng average? We add, then divide it by 2. So, 1.65 plus 1.64 divided by 2. And we will get z, which is equal to 1.645. Yan. So, nasa step 9 tayo. Find the average of the two values. In the case na merong exact, okay, or merong iisa lang na malapit doon sa nahanap natin, okay, yung exact, for example, may exact na z-value for the area na 0.4505, yun na yung kukunin. Huwag ka nang mag-average. And kapag meron lang, kunwari, isa lang na pinakamalapit dito sa kanya, yun na lang kukunin din. No more averaging. So, in this case kasi, nagkataon na dalawa yung same distance papunta sa 0.4505, kaya tayo nag-averaging ng z-value. Alright? So, we get now the z-value that is equal to 1.645. So, locate z, which is 1.645 under the curve in step 1 and make a statement. The 95th percentile is at z, which is equal to 1.645. So, para ma-figure out nyo yun, we have this one. So, this is our original illustration earlier. So, we locate, that is your 0.5 and then 0.4500. Yan yun. So, hinanap natin, yung 1.645. Ito yung sinolve natin. Take note class in-split natin ito so that we can get a z-value 0.4500. Kasi nga pag inad naman itong total area naman yan is 0.9500 or 95%. So again, our answer, the z-value for P95 is equivalent to 1.645.